Plug your Mac formatted USB into a Windows PC and it says, you need to format this drive. Here's why and how to fix it once and for all. Intro. The format of a USB drive determines which computers can read it. Mac defaults to its own format, and Windows can't always read that. Let me show you how to choose the right one. Open Disk Utility. Command plus space gives type disk utility. Gives enter. Plug in your USB drive. Look for it in the left sidebar. It'll show up under external. Make sure you select the drive itself, not a volume under it. Click Erase in the toolbar at the top. A dialog box appears with name, format, and scheme options. Connecting line. Here's the important part, choosing the right format. Let me explain what each one means. Step 3. Choose the right format. APFS. Mac only. Great for SSD-based drives used exclusively with Macs. macOS extended journaled. Older Mac format. Better compatibility with older Macs. exFAT. Use this if you need Mac and Windows compatibility. No file size limits. FAT32. Universal but has a 4 GB per file limit. Not great for video files. For most people, use exFAT. Step 4. Erase and eject. Click Erase. It takes a few seconds. When done, click Done to safely remove the drive. Drag it to the trash, which becomes an eject icon, or Control-click gives eject in Finder. exFAT is the answer for cross-platform USB drives. Remember that for next time. Like the video if this helped and subscribe for more Mac tips.